Transportation has always been an essential part of human life, from walking and horse-drawn carriages to cars, trains, and airplanes. As the world population continues to grow, and urbanization intensifies, transportation systems are facing new challenges that require innovative solutions. In this video, we'll explore some of the most exciting innovations in transportation that are set to change the way we travel in the future. Electric and self-driving cars. Electric cars are already gaining popularity due to their environmental benefits and cost-effectiveness. In the future, we may see even more electric and self-driving cars on the roads, which will reduce carbon emissions, improve safety, and increase efficiency. Self-driving cars can communicate with each other, avoiding accidents and reducing traffic congestion. They also offer the possibility of increasing access to transportation for people who are unable to drive due to disabilities or age. Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is a high-speed transportation system that uses magnetic levitation to propel pods through a tube at speeds of up to 700 miles per hour. This technology could revolutionize transportation, making travel faster and more efficient than ever before. It could connect cities and regions in record time, changing the way we move around and enabling us to access new opportunities for work and leisure. Personal flying vehicles. Personal flying vehicles, also known as flying cars, are no longer just science fiction. In recent years, we've seen a rise in the development of these vehicles, which could make commuting faster and more enjoyable. They may not replace cars, but they will certainly offer a new mode of transportation. Flying cars could help reduce traffic congestion in urban areas and offer more flexibility and speed for long-distance travel. Drones. Drones are already being used for package delivery and aerial photography, but their applications could extend to passenger transportation in the future. They offer a cost-effective and efficient way to travel, especially in areas with limited road infrastructure. They could also provide medical supplies and aid to remote areas during emergencies. Space tourism. While it's still in its infancy, space tourism is expected to become a reality in the coming years. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already making plans to take tourists to space, offering an entirely new type of transportation experience. Space tourism could open up new opportunities for exploration and adventure, as well as help us understand more about our planet and the universe. The future of transportation is incredibly exciting, with technologies that promise to revolutionize the way we travel. From electric and self-driving cars to personal flying vehicles and space tourism, the possibilities are endless. However, with new technologies come new challenges, such as safety, regulation, and environmental impact. Therefore, it's essential to take a holistic approach to transportation innovation, considering not only technological advancements but also societal and environmental factors. With careful planning and consideration, we can create a transportation system that is safe, efficient, and sustainable for everyone. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel for more contents.